touch you. See, I touch you.
That's what not to do when Bella's around.
Bella!
Hello, baby.
She's very protective.
She is. She's my baby. She won't let anyone come in my way.
What, does she like Beck at all?
Yeah. Ass in my face.
Dog bum, dog bum.
She scratched me. She scratched me.
What's she doing?
Oh, she's digging herself.
I'm gonna lose my arm soon.